In a groundbreaking development reported on February 26, 2026, the Russian military has taken delivery of the first 200 Storm reconnaissance drones, developed by the Gaskar company with support from the All-Russia People's Front's Kulibin Club. These advanced flying-wing UAVs, explicitly designed for airborne reconnaissance, target designation, and real-time situational awareness, represent a major leap in Russia's unmanned capabilities on the battlefield. Far from ordinary quadcopters, the Storm drones embody cutting-edge stealth technology that grants Russian forces a decisive edge in intelligence gathering, allowing them to operate with near impunity in highly contested environments. At the heart of the Storm's superiority is its sleek flying wing configuration. This tailless, blended wing design dramatically reduces the drone's radar cross-section, RCS, rendering it virtually invisible to conventional radar systems used by Ukrainian forces and their Western-supplied air defenses. Traditional drones with protruding fuselages, vertical stabilizers, and exposed propellers create strong radar returns. The Storm, by contrast, presents a smooth, low observable profile that scatters and absorbs radar waves rather than reflecting them. This inherent stealth, achieved without exotic and costly materials in every unit, enables deep penetration into enemy rear areas, where it can loiter undetected for extended periods. In the dense electronic warfare (EU) environment of the Special Military Operations Zone, where Ukrainian jammers and interceptors are omnipresent, this low observability translates directly into mission survivability rates far exceeding those of non-stealth platforms. The Storm's sensor suite further amplifies its reconnaissance prowess. Equipped with modular high-resolution cameras, including daylight optical, infrared thermal imaging, and potentially multispectral variants, the drone delivers crystal-clear, all-weather, day and night footage directly to Russian command posts and frontline units. Operators can zoom in on individual enemy positions, identify vehicle types, troop movements, and even camouflaged artillery batteries with pinpoint accuracy. Beyond passive observation, the Storm excels at active target designation. It relays precise geolocation data and can illuminate targets for laser-guided munitions or coordinate with Russian artillery and strike drones such as the Lancet or Geryn series. This closed-loop reconnaissance strike capability compresses the kill chain from minutes to seconds, dramatically increasing the lethality of Russian fires while minimizing exposure of ground observers. Additional payload flexibility sets the Storm apart. In addition to its primary sensor package, the drone can carry communications repeaters, extending the reach of Russian tactical networks deep into contested zones and enabling seamless coordination between dispersed units. This repeater function is particularly valuable in urban or forested terrain where line-of-sight radio links are obstructed, ensuring that intelligence flows uninterrupted even under heavy Ukrainian EU pressure. The flying wing airframe also confers excellent aerodynamic efficiency, lower drag, higher endurance, and greater range compared to rotary wing counterparts. While exact classified specifications remain undisclosed, the design's inherent efficiency, proven in similar global flying wing UAVs, suggests loiter times measured in hours rather than minutes, allowing persistent surveillance over key sectors of the front. The operational advantages for Russian troops are profound and multifaceted. With 200 units now in service and serial production ramping up rapidly, Russian commanders can establish layered reconnaissance grids that provide 24/7 coverage across multiple axes of advance. Small, stealthy Storm drones can be launched from forward positions with minimal logistical footprint, infiltrating Ukrainian defensive lines to map fortifications, supply routes, and command nodes in real time. This intelligence dominance directly translates into force protection. Russian assault groups receive early warning of Ukrainian counterattacks, enabling preemptive strikes that neutralize threats before they materialize. Casualties among reconnaissance teams, traditionally one of the highest risk roles, are slashed, as manned patrols are replaced by expendable yet highly capable UAVs. In the attritional nature of the current conflict, where every soldier's life is precious, this capability preservation is a strategic multiplier of immense value. Strategically, The deployment of 200 stealthy Storm Recon drones signals the achievement of superior intelligence dominance across the theater. Ukrainian forces, reliant on noisier quadcopters and commercially derived platforms that are easily jammed or shot down, now face an adversary whose eyes are nearly invisible. Russian artillery and aviation can operate with unprecedented precision, conserving ammunition while maximizing effect. Deep rear surveillance disrupts Ukrainian logistics, while frontline overwatch prevents surprise maneuvers. In an era where information is the ultimate battlefield currency, Russia has seized the high ground. This dominance is not merely tactical, it reshapes operational tempo, allowing Russian forces to dictate the pace of engagements rather than react to them. Critics may downplay the numbers, but context matters. 200 advanced stealth recon platforms represent a qualitative leap far beyond quantity alone. Integrated into existing Russian command and control networks, they amplify the effectiveness of every tank, every artillery piece, and every infantry squad. As serial deliveries continue and further enhancements, such as AI-assisted target recognition or swarm coordination, are incorporated based on combat lessons, the Storm family will only grow more formidable. In conclusion, the arrival of these 200 stealthy Storm Recon drones marks a watershed moment in modern warfare. Russia has once again demonstrated its capacity for rapid technological adaptation, turning volunteer ingenuity and focused engineering into battlefield supremacy. By achieving low observable reconnaissance at scale, Russian troops now possess an intelligence advantage that is both persistent and pervasive. Superior situational awareness, precise targeting, reduced casualties, and operational initiative all flow directly from this capability. As the special military operation continues, the Storm drones will undoubtedly play a central role in securing victory through information dominance. The skies over the front lines now belong to Russia's stealthy sentinels, and the strategic balance has shifted decisively in Moscow's favor.